Students, kindly remove your maths textbook, page number 22. Look at the picture, study the example. See children, first example in your page number 22, okay? Now let us see, please pay attention, tens and units, okay? How many tens are there? 1 tens, 2 tens. So it is 2 tens. And how many units? 1, 2, 3. So 2 tens and 3 units. Then second number. How you will come to know whether there is a second number also? See, this is the total number. Now you are doing subtraction. So what you will do? See, 2 units. See, you can see the lines which they have cut. So it is 2 units. Okay children. Then 1 tens. See, they have cut the tens. No, there is one line. You can see it is cut. So it is 2 units and 1 tens. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Similarly, then second sum. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 units. And how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens. 35. Okay. 3 tens and 5 units is 35. Then see, you can see 2 lines they have cut for you. So means 2 units you will minus from 5. And 1 tens, 2 tens are cut. So 3 minus 2. So it is 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, in 1 only they have shown the subtraction. Similarly, now let's see. First count the total number. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 units. Okay, then 1 tens. Okay. And how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. Then let us find the below number. Okay. So 1 unit is cut. Then 1 tens is cut. Then 100 is cut. So the number is 111. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now Ajit has 257 rupees. Use the picture below and work out how much money he had left over after he gave 115 rupees to Manoj. So how much? See, you can see 100 rupees note, you can see 10 rupees note, and you can see 1 rupees coins. So what you will make? Column. Let us make the column. 100, tens and units. Okay children. How many hundreds are there? Let us start from the units place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 units. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. And then how many hundreds are there? 1 and 2. Okay, then work out how much money he had left over. He gave 115 rupees to Manoj. See, Ajit had 257 rupees. Ajit had. Okay, now he gives 150 rupees to whom? Manoj. Who gave? Ajit gave. Now how much money he is left with? Ajit. Okay, Ajit के पास 257 रुपीस था. अजित ने मनोज को 150 रुपीस दिया. अभी कितना उसके पास बचा हुआ रहा? How much rupees left with Ajit? So 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So Ajit had 107 rupees left with him. Understood? Now let us see. In a cricket match, England scored 245 runs. India scored 123 runs. How many more runs must India make to equal the England score? Okay, England made 245 runs and India made 123 runs. How much more runs India need to make 245 to equal the score with England? So 245 minus 123. So it is 122. 5 minus 3 at units place is 2. 4 minus 2 at tens place is 2. 2 minus 1 at hundreds place is 1. Then in order to equal England's score, India must score a total of 245. So we have to find out how many runs they must score after 123 to make a total of 245. So it is same, 123 plus how much you will get 245. We must find out the missing number in this. We shall get it by subtracting from 123. Okay. So 245 minus 123 is 122. Children, I hope you have understood. I have just explained the page number 22. Moving ahead, this is a very small chapter. Subtraction. Okay. 545 minus 2. So you will directly subtract. Here also I am going to solve two sums for you. Rest sums you are going to solve in your textbook. This you will solve in your textbook because there is place given over here. So let us see. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. Now another one. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. Please solve all the sums. These are very easy sums. Now see. Arrange vertically. Vertically means standing. Okay. And horizontal means sleeping. First one they have already arranged for you. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. Now I will arrange and give you. You are going to solve it. 100 tens and units. 100 tens and units. So it is 674 and 242. Okay. Please solve all these sums. You are going to solve in your workbook. Okay. In your textbook. Okay. Solve it. Then see. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. See. In addition, you can add smaller number to bigger number. But in subtraction, you can minus the big number from small number. Can you minus big number from small number? No. So let us see. So what they have told, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So which is the bigger number? 315 and 517. First you will write the place values, 100, tens and units. Then which is the bigger number, children? 315 or 517? Which is the bigger number? 517. So you will write 517 directly and then you will write the smaller number down. If you write 315 up and 517 down, can you subtract? अगर आप छोटा नंबर ऊपर लिखोगे और बड़ा नंबर नीचे लिखोगे तो आप सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हो, आप माइनस कर सकते हो. नहीं, माइनस करने के लिए आपको बड़ा नंबर ऊपर लिखना है एंड छोटा नंबर नीचे लिखना है. ओके, तो इसमें यू हैव टू अरेंज, सब्ट्रैक्ट द स्मॉलर नंबर. तो स्मॉलर नंबर को नीचे एंड बिगर नंबर को ऊपर. अब now we will subtract the smaller number from bigger number. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, children? Now let us see. 470 and 340. 470 is bigger than 340. So what you will do? 0, 7, 4 and 0, 4, 3. Now let us subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay? Even this one. Which is the bigger number, 300 or 700? 700. Then 300. 0, 0, 4. Right, children? I hope you all have understood. Now we will do horizontal. What is the meaning of horizontal, children? Horizontal means sleeping. Now let us see. Please do it in your maths notebook. See, 714 minus 305. Always write the page number 23. Subtract in horizontal. Horizontal means sleeping. Let us see. Now I will write the number here. See, horizontal. Subtract in horizontal. 417 minus 305. This is the first sum. Now you will minus this 2. Then you will minus this 2. And again you will minus this 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 4 is 1. Okay, children. Now let me solve the second sum. 504 minus 201. So, units place. Let's minus the number at units place. 1 minus 4 is 3. Okay? 0 minus 0 is 0. If you minus 2 from 5, what we will get? This 2 number 3. So the answer is 303. 779 minus 250. Numbers at unit place, first you will minus. 9. 5 minus 7 is 2. If you minus 2 from 7, you will get 5. 420 minus 220. 0, 0, 2. With this, we complete both the pages, page number 22 and 23. This is a very small chapter. So, I have finished the chapter. Kindly solve both the pages. This you solve it in your textbook and this you solve in your maths notebook. Okay, or you can subtract